2026. First time I am on fire. Ghana bet me experiencing earthquake 2026. Yeah. But I want some cemetery. A back trending love. First time. If we don't or refuse to pray, Ghana will experience that particular earthquake this season. And because me will say soon yes my copy as for flosso. And casa mo can you casa. It's na menda board said Ghana. Now a time shaky. They call left and right. Shaky. And people were crying. So the vampire around a few 2026.
You see, fire will just say earthquake, Bessie Ghana. Like you guys, boys with team at them no. I got some moon boa so for Ben or Bunua, obey this uncle same way. But Yankupon, the buff share or the Babamoson. My yes, I ye tam. Coshet time or mooniska, or my shit to say BD. Or moon is capeno after the Oma Paul won't to say we. O de Kodakoti Roger, Mr. Roger, Fire Oja. Share the video be odidi Avram Bemoshi atem. SourcetubeTV na earthquake Ghana. Era mo Jimmy won. O man kitikiti way, o de kohwe map no so West Africa. O man kitikiti way. Na mo san see earthquake besi wo Ghana. Ade mo Jimmy a. Jama o but mark no go gbo jomo no na. Ti o first time
2026
earthquake. Earthquake.
26. First time I am on fire. Ghana bet me experiencing earthquake 2026. Yeah. But I want some cemetery. A back trending rough.
One. I see one say me cemetery a back trending rough. Iti ono no nim say ne o kan emfiri Nyankopon. Mo bia mo kosa sorry we anam bisa se madwen ye adwuma na. O say a back trending rough because they need that no deliberate. And I don't know why you guys still subscribe to these charlatans. These people are not from God. God doesn't speak to foolish people like this. They always see doom. They haven't seen anything good about the country before. It's always about doom prophecies. And you think say such person with me in the Chanyankwa. Kamidebe kwa peteshiba, we bar. Eddie Omaka ko bomb.
2026.